Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing for free without spending a dime. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow and start earning as soon as today, guys. So this is a powerful method that I have been using personally to earn commissions, and you want to watch it because you are going to be successful using this method. Now, like I said, this is a step-by-step plan that you need to follow, so you will need to watch the video and you do not want to miss any one of the steps in order for you to be successful. Now, your first step, guys, is to go ahead and find a product. I highly recommend that you find a product that has a high-paying commission so that the work you're about to put in, guys, can actually be profitable. Now, as you see here, I am on Bluehost, and Bluehost has an affiliate program which they pay out $65 for each qualified sign up. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see that it is free to join. It's easy to join. There's no approval process. You can join and get started right away with Bluehost. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check out this website. You can also use Digistore. They have a lot of different products on here with high paying commissions as well. So this is also free to join, and you can join in like 5 minutes. So you can go ahead and check it out, guys. So once you have your product, your next step will be to go ahead and create an ebook. So don't think that this is something that is very hard to do. You can create an ebook in like 2 to 3 hours, and you can gather information for your ebook from the affiliate website. So as you can see here, they have tons of information on how you can go ahead and promote the product, but I highly recommend that you use the product yourself so that you can be able to create an informational ebook about the product so that people can so that the product actually converts better. But even if you cannot afford to go ahead and try out the product, there are tons of information on the internet that you can gather to put your ebook together, and then you want to go ahead and add in your affiliate link. So as you can see here, I've created this 6,500 word ebook here. This is an article actually that I'm working on for my blog. But as you can see here, it has all of the information about Bluehost, how to set up an account. And as you can see here, I have my affiliate links in here, and I have this step-by-step tutorial telling them that they need to use my special link. And it is a full step-by-step guide that they can use to set up a successful blog. As you can see here, find the perfect niche, choose the name for your blog, and how to verify your blog with search engines, set up your required pages, everything they need to know to set up a successful blog. So once I am done creating this ebook, all I have to do right now, guys, is to scroll all the way to the top and click before your first paragraph. Once you've clicked on there, you want to go to your keyboard and you want to click on Control P. So once this page opens up, you want to come up here and you want to click on Save as a PDF. So now you have the option to go ahead and save 61 pages as a PDF. You have other settings here that you can go ahead and choose what you want specifically for your ebook. Now once you're done, as you can see here, it's grabbed all the information that we've created about this ebook, and all your links are in there and they are working. So if someone goes ahead and clicks on them, it's going to take them to Bluehost sign up page, and these are my affiliate links. Now once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on Save. Now you're gonna have this right here to go ahead and save your PDF, guys. But you want to make sure that you remove this first part, and you also want to remove everything after the name of the PDF, the ebook, guys. And you just want to click Add in .pdf. So once you have that, you just want to go ahead and click on Save. So now we have our PDF. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Let's go ahead and open up our PDF, and you're going to see exactly what it looks like. So now you have your PDF with we're finished with the second step. Now, before we move on, I let you know that we are using WordPress.com, and this is a free website that you can create to actually go ahead and start writing your blog post. So you can create a free blog on WordPress.com to be able to set up or write your ebooks, guys. And you also want to make sure that your links are working. So if someone goes ahead and click on this link, as you can see within the ebook, it's going to take them to Bluehost sign up page, guys. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, guys, so next you want to go on over to Canva and you want to type in ebook. As you begin to type, it's going to give you this. So you just want to click on ebook cover. Now this is where you will be able to go ahead and create a cover for your ebook. Now you want to try to find something that is relevant to your niche. And for this, I'm going to be choosing this cover. Now once this open up, you just want to go ahead and add in the title of your ebook. So I'm going to put start a blog. And you can start going ahead and editing all of these different texts. So I'm going to put start a blog, and I've gone ahead and edited it a little bit. So as you can see here, start a profitable blog and make money. Then I have in between here the complete guide to change your life from the comfort of your home. And at the bottom I have my name and I have the name of my blog as well. So now even if you don't have a blog, you can add your name at the bottom and you just created your ebook page, your ebook cover, guys. Now you want to go ahead and download your ebook cover to your computer. Just go ahead and download that, and you want to go to this site. Just make sure you save it. And next you want to go to this site that's called DIYcovers.com. So this is also this is where you're going to be able to create a 3D mock-up of your ebook. So you can choose any one of these covers here, and this is the first step. Go ahead and choose the cover that you want. Let's say we want to use this template right here. Let's go ahead and choose it, and then we want to move on to the next step, and this is where you can go ahead and upload your image that you just created. So we have start a blog ebook cover. We want to open that up and let it upload. Once your cover has uploaded, now you want to go ahead and click the next button, and this is now it's going to generate your ebook mock-up for you. So you also want to choose something like your PNG or a JPEG to actually download the cover. So go ahead and click on one of those and it's going to download it to your computer automatically. So there you go, we now have our cover. So if we go to our downloads, you are going to find your cover in there. So let's go ahead and open this up, and this is your ebook cover, guys. So your next step is to go ahead and upload your PDF that you created, which was your ebook, to your Google Drive. So all you got to do is be signed into Google, and you want to click on this little box up here and you want to click on Drive. Now you want to go to this option that says new, and you want to create a folder. So you want to call this folder whatever it is your ebook is titled. So I'm going to call this start a blog, and you want to click on create. So once you create your folder, you want to click on it, and once it opens up, you want to go to the new tab and you want to click on file upload. So we want to find our ebook, so we're going to type in start a blog, and this is the one PDF. We're going to go ahead and upload it. As you can see, it is uploading right now. So once the upload is completed, you're going to get your PDF right here in this folder. So you can go ahead and click on it, guys, and you're going to see what your ebook looks like. So as you can see, there is the complete ebook, and you want to click out of this and you want to get a link. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on, and you want to go to sharing settings and make sure that anyone can go ahead and view this ebook. You have other options. They can edit, they can comment, they can view, and you have other options that you can go ahead and check on as well. Now you can also go ahead and make sure to add this to public on the web, so anyone on the internet can find and access this particular document. They don't need to be signed in to Google or Google Drive to be able to access this, so you can make that available as well. It's just going to increase the amount of signups that you have on your affiliate link, and you want to go ahead and click on save. Now you want to go ahead and copy your link. Now that you have your link, you can use something like bit.ly or any other link shortener on the internet, but I do not recommend that. I recommend that you use your Google Drive link, because we're going to be promoting our ebook on sites like social media, and they actually trust Google Drive. So if you use a link shortener, sometimes your ebook will not be allowed on those sites, so you can leave your link as they are. So once you go ahead and copy your link, guys, you want to click on done, and now you want to go on sites like Facebook. So go to Facebook, guys, and you want to find groups that are relevant to your particular offer that you have. So if you're in a group like Make Money Online, you want to open that group up and you want to create a post. So you can start writing something like, if you want to change your life like I did from the comfort of my home through blogging, here is a step-by-step guide on how to start a profitable blog that you can download completely free. Now you want to go ahead and add in the image of your ebook. So go ahead and click on image. So we're going to try to find that image right now, and there it is. We're going to open that up, and it is going to upload to Facebook. Now you want to add something like, comment below, I want, and I will send you the link. So once you do that, all you got to do right now is go ahead and post this to Facebook. Once you're done, as soon as people start commenting on your post, you're going to get notified, and you can go ahead and start adding your links or sending your links by message directly to these people who are going to comment on your post on Facebook, guys. There you go. There we have our post is on Facebook. Now let's say you have another product like an Instagram followers product that you have on Digistore and you want to promote. You're going to use the same method to go ahead and create your ebook. Now, you can get the information for your ebook from the sales pages of these particular products. You can simply go on there, and you're going to have tons of information and images at the bottom that you can copy to go ahead and create your ebook instantly. And once you do create your ebook cover, something that is relevant to this particular product, and then you want to go ahead and promote it. Now, to promote products like these, you can find Facebook groups that are relevant to Instagram followers and so on and so forth. But you can also go to YouTube and you want to type in something like Instagram followers. You want to filter this to today, video today. And once you have your filter on, you can find videos that were created. Let's say this one was created around 18 hours ago. You can go ahead and open this up, and you can sort by the comments below, guys. You can go ahead and sort the comments to the newest. So want to go to the newest comments, and you want to reply to these people, explaining to them that if they actually want to find a great method to grow their Instagram account and profile, they can go ahead and download your ebook for free, and you can use bit.ly to go ahead and shorten your links. As you can see here, you can go ahead, add in your link for your Google Drive, copy that, go back to YouTube, and you want to reply to these people, giving them your link to your ebook. Now you want to make sure these are legit people. You don't want to send it to bots, because these videos, they have a lot of bots on there making them to rank high for these keywords. So you want to find people that are actually looking to grow their Instagram account, and your ebook actually offers them a solution to their problem. We don't want to spam people. We actually want to help people, so you can go ahead and promote your ebook to these people. Now you can also go ahead and email these people by just going to their profile and checking the about section and see if they actually have email addresses. As you can see, there's an email address on here that you can go ahead and send them emails about your product, and you can start generating sales as fast as possible. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and download this ebook, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can download it and check it out for yourself, so that you can understand exactly how I did it, how I set it all up. And you can also go ahead and download it from my new blog as well. So there it is on my new blog. You can go ahead and download it. You don't need to add in your email or anything like that. It's completely free. Click on it and it's going to take you to the download page right away, guys, as you can see here. Now you can also go ahead and promote your ebooks on TikTok and other free ebook sites. So you can search on Google, free ebook sites that you can promote your ebooks on. You can go to Quora, guys. You can promote your ebooks there. You can promote it on TikTok. TikTok allows you to add in a link to your website, but you will actually need to have a redirect link, or a legit link that you can add to TikTok right now. And there are lots of places that you can promote your ebook if you have a relevant audience to your product. So this is the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing for free on the internet, and it is a legit way to do it, guys, without spamming people. You're actually helping people, and believe me, once your audience sees that you're promoting or you're creating helpful content, they are going to use your affiliate link and you are going to make money. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and stay awesome until next time.